Okay, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can enable eye care mode in our Android mobile phone, that how we can make eye care option on in our Android mobile phone. We know that using mobile phone too much can affect our eyes, so that's why if we use eye care mode in our mobile phone, so it will be good for our eyes in order to protect it from damages. But before going to start our video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the new contents and the new uploads notifications from our side. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion related to anything, you just have to ask in comment. We will try to make a video about that in order to solve the issue for you. So let's start the video without wasting the time. So here are two short methods in order to enable or activate or to make the option on for eye care in our Android mobile phone. I will show you both in short and simple way. First of all, you have to scroll down from the top of your mobile phone. Once you scroll down, here you can find options Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, profile and flashlight. If you have scroll a little bit more, you can find many options here, but we don't need these options as we are going to search for eye care mode or eye care option in our Android mobile phone. Now what you have to do, you just have to scroll the screen to your left. Once you scroll here, you can find many and other different options. The first one is WhatsApp mode. The second one is eye care. The third one is voice screen record and vice versa. Here, the second option is eye care. So this is the option for which we are searching. That is the eye care. So you have to make this option on. How? Just click on it. Once you click on it, the brightness of the mobile or the color of the mobile will change to yellow mode. Like, as you can see here, the brightness level has been changed. The screen color changed from white to light yellow. Now this is the color. It will never affect your eyes. This is not too much dangerous, a little bit dangerous, but not too much dangerous as compared to the white color. Now if we use our mobile in this eye care mode, so they will never affect our eyes too much as compared to the normal mode. Let's make it off. When you make it off, the color will change again to white mode. Now we have to long press this option. When you long press then this option, you can see here the first one is schedule option. The schedule option means when and you want to make this option on, turn on and custom time. Custom time means when you set a time for this option, at that time, exactly at that time, this option will become on. While the third option is turn from sunset to sunrise. This means that when you make the third option on, so the eye care mode will automatically be coming on from sunset to sunrise, right? And when you make this option on, you can find another option, that is intensity. You can increase or decrease the intensity of eye care mode. Remember that this intensity can affect your eyes. If this is in light or in low rate, so it will affect your eyes. If you increases this intensity, so this will never affect your eyes. The much and more is the intensity, little will be the effect on your eyes. So this was how we can enable eye care mode in our Android mobile phone. I hope you got well. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.